Hi friends, this is Akanksha Ojha, a fashion design faculty at various institutes and colleges from last 15 years in New Delhi. You must have heard about New Delhi YMCA or JD Institute of Fashion Technology, IIFT, NIFT, various polytechnics. So I am teaching fashion design there. But I'm specialized into designing garments for various occasions, fashion shows, calligraphy, artistry, art and craft, fine arts, and many more things. So recently I have started online crash courses to improve handwriting for small kids. So I used to upload my videos on my YouTube channel. You must have seen my YouTube channel. I request you all to like, share and subscribe my videos. So recently I have started uploading my videos on my channel regarding fashion design. Like how can you draw female figures, human figures, how can you make faces, hairstyles, and what are the proportion to follow a perfect human figure. And then recently I am planning to upload videos regarding calligraphy now. Because many of my students requested me, ma'am, please download the videos and of calligraphy also. So today I'm going to give you a short demonstration about basic strokes and how can you make beautiful lowercase alphabets with the help of just a normal pencil, just normal 2B pencil. So now I'm going to turn my camera on my notebook. So get set ready, friends. Hi friends, you can see I have taken 2B pencil and I am starting the basic calligraphy. Okay, I'm starting with the basic strokes. Basic strokes are very important in calligraphy. You must do practice for these strokes. After that we can start with the lowercase alphabets. So I am starting with the first upstrokes. Upstrokes are like from down to up. It means you have to make slant lines from down to up. You can see I'm starting from this line bottom to this pink line, and I'm not using any pressure. I'm just making smooth slant lines with a very soft touch. You can see these lines are very light, you can see, and you should not make these diagonal lines like this. These are wrong. Now this is downstroke. Next is downstroke. Downstroke means you have to come down from up to down like this with a strong pressure and thick lines. These are thin lines from down to up. These are thick lines from up to down. And the gap between all the lines should be equal. The lines should be parallel. Now I'm mixing these two strokes and I'm making a pattern like this. Go up with a light pressure, then come down with a hard pressure. Go up with a light pressure, come down with a strong pressure like this. So you have to practice these patterns. Right, first is this pattern. Now second, I am changing this pattern into curve like this. Now you can make various patterns like this. And you can make downstroke light, then up, downstroke light, now this is the new pattern like S. By doing this practice, you can able to make slant alphabets. After practicing these strokes, you will find that you are able to draw slant alphabets. Now I'm starting with the lowercase alphabets now. Like I'm starting with A. I'm making an oval shape by using my upstrokes and downstrokes like this. I'm starting from here. Okay, like upstroke like this, then I'm making an oval shape and I am putting a line. You can see all my A's are slant. Now B. Upstroke light, downstroke dark. Then I am making a curve. So I'm starting this curve from here with the light pressure, dark pressure, then again light pressure. Then C. Like this. You can make C in these two lines also. I am making these bigger one because so that you can see the correct drawings. Now D. For making D, you have to make a beautiful C like this. Then my second step is make a L like this. Now I will join these two patterns. Oval shape and then now E. For E, this is the upstroke, then dark downstroke, upstroke, now F, upstroke, downstroke, then again upstroke, like this. Upstroke, downstroke, like this. Upstroke, now G. Then a beautiful oval, then downstroke, and this. A beautiful oval shape, then again downstroke with a beautiful curve. Another G is there, you can make it like this. This and okay, for today these alphabets are enough. In my next video I'll continue these lowercase alphabets.